What's the meaning of cabin boy? Cabin boy. Cabin boy.
Cabin boy. Cabin boy. A cabin boy is a term that refers to a young male who worked on a ship in the past. Typically, cabin boys were responsible for performing various tasks and duties required on board ships, such as cleaning, running errands, and assisting officers and crew members. The work was often difficult and low-paying, and cabin boys were considered to be at the bottom of the hierarchy on the ship. However, it was also seen as an opportunity for young males to gain experience and advance their careers in the maritime industry. Today, the term cabin boy is rarely used, as the role has largely been replaced by modern technology and more advanced positions on board ships.